Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me, Jonel Sung, of course. So for today's vlog, another informative vlog na naman ang aking i-share sa inyo, and this time it's all about paano nga ba mag-open ng online savings account sa Security Bank. Okay guys, first things first, bago kayo makapag-online is may bibigay sila sa iyong QR code like this one. QR code, tapos may contact person if in case na kailangan mo ng questions, may nakalagay din. Pero kung wala kayong QR code guys, pwede naman kayo mag-direct, mag-online sa kanilang website. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is, i-scan ko lang tong QR code. Pagka-scan nyo guys, i-direkta kayo sa kanilang Easy Savings Account website. So ayan, nakalagay dito, sabi dito, ayan apply for an Easy Savings Account. So ito yung mga requirements na kailangan. Opening balance is 0. So maintaining balance is 0 din. Libre lang yung card, and at the same time wala siyang opening balance and wala din siyang maintaining balance, unlike sa ibang bangko merong 500 or 2,000. So talagang napakatipid nitong Security Bank kapag first time mo pa lang mag-open, or halimbawa wala ka pang savings, gusto mo lang mag-open for future savings mo, or Security Bank is the best for you. And then what you'll need is a pen and white paper. So i-ready nyo na guys personal mobile number, photo, ID, a device with a camera. You'll need this for liveness check later. Your tax identification number, and required balance and fees and charge. Ito, pag yung required balance, sa later part na to, once na nakapag-open na kayo. So, check muna natin yung ID accepted. Philippine passport, driver's license, Phil ID, PhilSys, yung paper version. Kasi di ba, yung iba wala pang card. Pero if meron na kang paper version ng Philippine ID, pwede na yon. Postal identity card, UMID card, a voter's ID, SSS identity card, and PRC identity card. So, yun lang yung mga valid ID na hinahanap, or yung mga kailangan. Tapos, how long will it take? About 10 minutes, and we aim to have a decision within 48 hours. So, madali lang, 2 days lang. Ayan. Eligibility, you must be over the age of 18, a resident and a citizen of the Philippines to apply. So, if tapos nyo na mabasa, click na lang natin tong continue. Ayan. Andito na yung kanilang mga terms and conditions. So, usually mahaba to So, basahin nyo na lang guys. And then, once na nabasa nyo na guys, click nyo lang tong check. And then, sabi dito, we need few details from you. So, please confirm below, I am an existing Security Bank account holder, or I have another SBC products, or no, I am not an existing Security Bank account holder. For the first timer na kagaya ko, so click lang natin tong no, kasi wala pa naman akong ibang mga existing Security Bank account. Then, proceed to continue. Once na naklik na natin itong continue, ayan, yung mga personal details na, like, uunahin muna nila yung email address and yung mobile number. Dahil dito daw, isa-send yung updates about sa application. So, make sure na i-double check nyo yung number nyo at yung email. Kasi kahit na isang letter or isang number lang yung mali dito, guys, hindi na kayo masisendan ng update. So, hindi nyo malalaman if approve kayo. So, click lang natin tong yes. I agree to have my accounts used for purpose of cross-selling products and services, profiling and credits, evaluation, etc. etc. So, click lang natin tong yes. Once na click natin yes, proceed to continue. Ayan. So, ayan, magsasend sila ng OTP dun sa registered mobile number na nilagay mo. So, click lang natin tong OTP. Mabilis lang siya, guys, yung OTP. So, sabi dito, OTP validation successful. You have successfully entered the correct OTP. We can proceed with your application. Next tayo. Click na lang natin tong, ayan, verify your identity. Ito, i-ready nyo na guys yung inyong photo ID and signature and selfie. Click lang natin tong continue. Capture your photo ID. Select which type of identification you're going to use. So, may mga dito, selection ng ID if anong meron kayo. Click nyo tong view more para marami kayong choices na ID. Ayan. So, sa akin kasi guys, passport na lang gagamitin ko. Reminder muna. Basahin natin yung reminder. Use an updated valid ID. So, kailangan hindi pa siya expired, kasi pag once na kinlik nyo yung photo at nakita na expired yung ID nyo, hindi na valid yon, hindi na tatanggapin. So, kailangan hindi na expired. Do not cover any part of the ID and keep within the frame markers. Yon. Kailangan daw walang nakatakip, hindi blurred, malinaw yung pagkakakuha. Ayun, if you're submitting passport, ako passport gagamitin ko, please be sure to include both the information and signature pages in the frame. Do not use camera flash, kasi nga yung flash nakakalabo ng details. So, click na natin tong continue. So, ito na guys, kunin ko lang yung passport ko. So, i-scan ko na ito yung aking pasaporte. So, i-scan ko na siya guys. Hold still. Yan. We're checking your ID. Please don't close this window while we do this. So, tayin lang natin. May choices kayo para i-retake or continue. So, just make sure na yung mga information is malinaw. So, if okay naman, click nyo na yung continue. So, sa akin okay na. Select continue to take your selfie. Oh, selfie na siya. Let's do the liveness scan. Dress appropriately. Oh, taray, may ganun pa. Remove your glasses or any non-religious headwear. Look at the camera and keep your face within the frame. Be sure you are in a well-lit room when taking a selfie. Okay, let's do the selfie. Okay, start na tayo. Okay. So, we're checking your selfie. Please don't close the window while we do this. Okay. Ayan, meron din siyang review if okay na yung selfie sa inyo. So, make sure that your face is not blurry in the center of the photo. You can retake the photo if needed. So, hindi ko na okay na to. So, use this photo. Then, liveness scan complete. Click continue. Capture sign. Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Kailangan meron kayong paper and pen. So, get a piece of white paper and a black or blue pen. Provide 3 specimen signature. Make sure your specimen signatures match the signatures on the valid ID you will submit for application. So, ayun, medyo ano tayo dito, strict. Kasi yung, kailangan daw yung signature na nakalagay dito sa ID nyo, like this one, sa passport, is kapareha nung 3 specimen signature na sasubmit nyo. So, kuha lang ako ng paper. So, I have my paper na. Mag-ano muna ako, magsasign muna ako dito ng 3 specimen signature. So, make sure na pare-pareha siya, okay? Ito na yung aking specimen signature. 3 siya. So, kailangan magkakaparehas. So, ang gagawin nyo is i-scan nyo lang to, signature nyo, sa kanilang website. So, let's do this. So, ayan guys, i-scan ko na siya. Ayan. So, kailangan nakasenter yung 3. And then, place your signatures inside the frame and take photo. So, ayan. Okay na tayo sa signature. Daming process, guys. So, if okay na to, guys, here's your photo. Make sure your signatures are clearly visible and focused. So, gusto nyong i-retake or click continue. Click ko na tong continue. Okay na to. And then, ito na. Yung mga personal information nyo like first name. Pagka-click ko ng continue after ng signature, photo, may nakaano na siya, may nakalagay ng name. First name ko, middle name ko, and last name ko. Ayun. So, meron na yung place of birth, date of birth. So, ang lalagay nyo lang is yung marital status, complete address, yun. Tapos, yun na lang i-fill up nyo kasi meron na siyang name and birthday. After nung personal information, dito tayo sa click continue and then sa employment. So, mabilisan na lang to guys. Sa employment guys, make sure na kailangan talaga parang meron kang income kahit papaano. Pag hindi ka employed, at least self-employed or retired ka. Oo nga naman kasi kung mag-open ka ng savings account pero hindi mo naman malalamanan, di ba? Wala ka namang ilalaman, pera or sahod. So, mini-make sure lang nila yun guys. So, ito lang guys, mga occupations and then salary, yun. Fill up nyo na lang guys about sa personal information and then meron siyang TIN, tax identification number. Click continue pagtapos na kayo. Preferred branch of account. Your savings account will be housed on this branch. Okay, dito kasi sa Valenzuela, ang pinakamalapit sa akin is yung sa Karuhatan. So, ang pipiliin ko is Karuhatan, Valenzuela City. So, meron namang mga list of branches dito na pwede kayong pumili na pinakamalapit sa inyo para hindi hassle na if gusto nyong i-pick up yung inyong ID or yung card, ATM, sa malapit na. Tapos pag may mga other transactions kayo, pag may card na kayo, mas maganda sa malapit na para hindi na kayo hassle na pumunta pa sa ibang mga branches. So, once na okay na at nakapili na kayo ng mga branches, ayun sa akin Karuhatan, ayan. So, click nyo lang tong continue. Ayan, ATM, how do you want to get your ATM card? Either your present home address or your branch pickup. Sa akin kasi, branch pickup na lang kasi madalas wala ako sa bahay. Baka i-deliver nila doon. Uuwi pa ako, ang layo-layo. So, dito na ako sa branch pickup. Since form work kasi malapit naman yung Karuhatan branch. So, kukunin ko na lang. So, once na okay na siya, guys, click na natin branch pickup and then submit application. Ayan. Sabi dito, application complete. So, what happens next? Here is your reference number. So, may bibigay silang reference number sa website and a copy of this was sent to your email as acknowledgement. So, meron din sa email. So, if ever na hindi nyo masave itong nasa kanilang website, meron naman sa email. Please expect an update regarding the status of your application via email within 48 hours. So, mag-aantay na lang ako ng 48 hours, guys, if approve na yung aking application. So, ayan guys. So, ganun lang siya kadali. It will take about 10 minutes lang. Depende sa bilis ng pagtatype nyo at sa bilis ng process. So, ayan guys. So medyo madugo, no, medyo strict sila sa online application kasi nga 'di ba? Ubang umaalwan din sa atin kasi hindi na hassle. Hindi na tayo pupunta sa bangko. Ang gagawin lang natin pag pumunta tayo doon is if ma-approve tayo is kukunin na lang yung ATM card. Ganun na lang yung process ng application para hindi na tayo mahirapan. So ayan guys, so hopefully nakatulong tong vlog ko na to, and if nagustuhan niyo tong video ko, don't forget to LSS, like, share, and subscribe. So thank you very much guys for watching and hope to see you again sa aking next video. Ito pa rin si Jonel.